In this video, I am going to show you how to set target audience on Instagram ads. My name is Ayo. You are on the right video if you've been searching for a way or the correct way to set a good target audience that is actually going to buy from you, right? The process on how to set the correct target audience. Now, when we're talking about target audience, what do we mean about target audience in advertising or especially Instagram ads? Your target audience is one of the greatest components you need to focus on because this is actually what makes or break your ad, right? This is what determines the people that are going to be seeing your ad, where they reside, what they are interested in, their age, their gender, and so on. So you have to be very, very careful in setting this up so you can get massive sales and conversion for your ad spend. So we're going to get straight into it right now. So this guide I'm going to be showing you works either you are using your computer or you want to be using your iPhone or your Android phone, right? So let's get straight into it. Should in case you need help on Instagram payments method, maybe you've been trying to pay for your ads, you have a debt or a restricted ads account, you can chat me on WhatsApp using the link you're going to see under this video or in the comment section. Just click on it. You'll be able to place a call to me on WhatsApp and we'll solve it right there. So let's get straight into it without further ado.
The next thing you need to do is go to instagram.com. Now note that you can visit instagram.com on your mobile phone, right? Using the Chrome browser, you can go to instagram.com and log into your account. Just make sure you follow Ayo is Marketing, right? This is the only Instagram account, you understand, right? Follow it. So once you log into your account on instagram.com, you're going to be seeing your profile like this, and you can also do the same step using your Instagram application, you understand, if you know your way around it. So on the left hand side there, when you hover to the screen, the options is going to expand, right? And you're going to go to the create section, right? The create section, you're going to see create under notification. So you're going to click on create and you're going to see something like ad, right? So you're going to click on ad and you're going to be selecting one of your content on your profile. Remember, the main thing we need to do to be able to access this target audience is to go through a little bit process of creating the ad, and you get access to your audience manager to be able to create your audience. So I'm just going to click on boost content from profile. I'm going to select one. Okay, so I'm going to select this one. I'm going to click on next, and once I click on next, okay, remember that you can also access your ads dashboard by clicking on your profile and clicking on boost post, right? So if you're using your phone, or you don't, in case you don't see the plus icon that leads you to the ad right here, do you understand? So you're going to see something like drive trace sales through your online store. This is just a recommendation, so I'm going to click on not now. So you're going to see, in case you click on boost view, like I said, in your phone, right, or you click on your profile, you select one of the posts, click on boost view, you are going to be redirected to the same place. So regardless, you click on create and click on add. So you're going to see this boost view, right? This is the objective. What do you want people to do when they see your ad? So I'm just going to leave it in visit your profile. Like, we are doing this as a dummy, we want to get straight into the audience manager. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go down and you're going to see something like this. Who should see your ad? Who should see your ad? Remember, I told you that anything about target audience relates to the people that is going to be seeing your ad, where your ad is going to get to, and the type of people is going to get to, right? So this will make or break your ad. Do you understand? So you're going to go down and you're going to be see something like this. People similar to your followers. Now, if you already have followers that is a little bit large enough, maybe between 1,000 to 10,000 to 5,000, however you might have it, or maybe 500 followers, and this kind of targeting option shows that you can target this ad to people similar to your followers. So once you select this option, what Instagram is going to do is that the moment you submit your ad, Instagram is going to find people who are similar to these people who are already following your account. So that is why it is very, very recommended to, you know, grow your account organically in a good manner, right, where you get people who are really interested in what you sell, you post, and you do. Do you understand? So you get people, not just bots, into your account. So you're going to, if you click on people similar to your followers, these are the kind of people you're going to be getting, right? Instagram will source for people who look like your follower. But in case you do not want this, do you understand, you can click on create your own. You're going to see something like manually enter your own targeting options. Let's say, for instance, we click on this. Okay, these are the two ways I'm going to show you how to create target audience. You just need to relax and watch this video. You're going to see something like create audience, right? And I'm going to go down. You're going to see something like use advantage plus audience. Automatically find and update audience whenever it's likely to improve performance. If it's recommended for you, you can choose to just leave it like that. But if you do not want it and you just want to target only the people you want to put in this target audience, you're going to tick it off and you're going to go down. Now you're going to see audience name. What is your audience name? What kind of name do you want to give this audience, that whenever you want to create Instagram ads in future, you can be able to know that, okay, this is the same audience I want to select. You select it by the name, like you see in this list here, right? Before I clicked on create new audience, and you'll be able to. So I'm just going to give it a name. You can see, as the name implies, audience name. So I'm going to say target audience. This is just an example. If you sell braid, you put it braid audience text 1 or whatever you just want to put, so that you can remember. Target audience Mr. Ayo tutorial 1. Okay, now let's say this is my target audience name, right? More like a profile name for my audience. So you're going to see the next line, which says locations not specified or non-specified. You're going to click on this edit icon. You are setting this location, which means you want to determine the country, the state, or the vicinity your ad is going to be showing to, where those people live. So let's say, for instance, this is region. Now it says adding a broad range of countries, regions, and cities increases the number of people who can see your ad. So if I click on Lagos, right, Lagos is actually going to come up. This is a city, Lagos, Nigeria, a state here in city, and we have over 2.1 to 2.4 million, right? Now, should in case you want to use local deals with, maybe you want to target the vicinity around your shop, your complex, or where your office is. So you can drop the address here. You're going to type in the address here, and the address is going to come up. You're going to click on save. So like this, I'm just going to type in Lagos now to make the video very short. So I think I've selected Lagos. So I'm just going to click on save. Lagos has been selected. This is Lagos, Nigeria. So I'm going to click on save. Name, we set the location. Now this interest deals with people. What are those people interested in? The interest of those people. What are they interested in? What do they usually follow or like on Facebook and Instagram? So beside the interest, non-specified, you're going to click on edit, and you're going to input the interest. Let's say, for instance, right, you sell women clothing, or you sell a kind of jumpsuit for women. You can decide to just put in women's clothing, right? You can see different kind of options are coming in. So I'm just going to click on women's clothing. Right now, women's clothing, it is only based on the fact that you sell female jumpsuits, you selected women's clothing. of course women is going to be the target audience, right? So we've choose women's clothing, and you can see some other suggestion here: clothing, apparel, shopping, fashion, accessories. Do not click on all this because this is too broad. If you click on clothing, men and women is within this targeting. Dresses, men and female, men and women is within this targeting. But when you choose women's clothing, you know that this is specifically going to women, because you want to sell a female jumpsuit, right? So you're going to click on save. Now once you click on save, you're going to see the age. So I want you to always check your store or check your online store, right? Who are the people who have been buying from you? You can also conduct a kind of research based on your past customers. Please drop your age. I'm trying to do a kind of analysis, or you can just check within the age range and set it. Let's say maybe within the age range of 22 to 60 years old are the people who purchase from you. Just put it here, right? And the gender, of course, what you're going to be selecting is female, because you want to sell a female jumpsuit and you've chosen women's clothing. So if your clothes is for all, which is male and female, you click on all. If your clothes is only for men and you've choose men's clothing, you're just going to click on men and you're going to click on save. So we're clicking on female, and I'm going to save this audience. Now as you can see, the moment we click on save, the target audience is here already in the list of audience we already have here previously. Do you understand? As you can see here, we have list of audience, but you are going to see the name of that audience that will make it stand out. Target audience Mr. Ayo Tutorial, and women age 22 to 60, Lagos State, Nigeria, or maybe United States, United Kingdom, depending on how you want, where you want to target, depending on where you want to target and the interest, which is women's clothing. Do you understand? So like I said, as an example, if you wanted to sell a jumpsuit, so this video is just an example for you. I hope you get it. So now our target audience has been saved, and you can then go down and set some other settings you want to set here, right? Do some other settings and boost your reel. You can see the available funds. Make sure your payment method is standing in good standing. If you have problem with your payment method or restriction, just chat me on WhatsApp. We'll solve it on video call. So these are the two main ways to create audience. Either you target similar people to your followers, very effective, get you people who are already engaging with your content and who like you already, get you people like them, or you target people from scratch by clicking on create your own audience, right? So I will see you on the next video. If you like this video, drop it in the comment section, say let's go Mr. Ayo, ask any question, and I will see you on the other side.